Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make split screen on TikTok. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app and then logged into your account, and there you want to add a split videos over there. So you have to simply click on the plus icon and you will comes in your camera section. You can as well record over here the video that you wanna split it. So as you can see, I want to record a video. It's about 4 seconds video. So there you can see bunch of options over here. I want to record a video. You will see over here effects. Click on that and then you will comes in this section. I want to record a video. The down menu you will see bunch of options over here. You can see over here split option. Click on that and then you will see bunch of options over here. You can split into 4 videos or like 6 videos or 9 videos as well. I want to record a video. That effect and it's gonna be split it up. So by the way, it's like black and you can see this. So we have to do is like I want to record video like about colored video. So you can see, go to your library and check it out, the video that you have recently made, or like I want to do it with this. So you have to simply click on next and then again and you can see over here effects option. Click on that and then you will comes over here. So you have to do is simply the same steps. Go to splits, then you will see this. Click on that and then you will see there's gonna be split over here. So that's how you can do it. Click on save and then you can see over here this is split it into 9 separate screens over here. So you can see that, and click on next if you want to upload it, or you can simply click on that add down button and then click on save at the last option, and it's gonna be saved into your library. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.